Hi, hello, welcome to Emotional Traders. So, how is the last week trading? The market was very volatile. Okay, so they killed option sellers like anything. Okay, so how about your trading? So, whether you made a profits or you are into drawdown phase, did you face any problems in controlling the emotions? Any psychology related issues? Any issues regarding last week's trading? So please put your comments in the comment section so that we will discuss in detail in the coming classes. Okay. So if it comes to my last week trading PnL, okay. So as everyone knows that I trade in first track. So I'll go to the reports. I'll go to the PnL report. So I'll get to the date, that is August 25th. So August 25th to August 29th. So this week only 4 days we have traded. So one day it was holiday. So that is the reason only 4 weeks trading it is. So I'll click on the submit. Yeah. So if you see here, so we made almost 22,000 profit. So out of 22,000, like 2,000 rupees are the charges. Okay, so total charges. So these charges are mentioned detailed here. Okay, so the net realized P&L is almost 20,000. Okay, so almost 20,000 rupees is the net realized P&L for this particular week. Okay, fine. So as you know that every week I will be showing the cumulative weekly reports. Okay. So till last week I have shown 4 weeks and this is the 5th week. Okay. So we will see like what is the 5 weeks total 5 weeks weekly PnL report. We will see it. Okay. So I'll go to the reports. I'll go to the PnL report. So from date, so we have started in July, okay, July 28th we have started until 29th August, okay, total it is 5 weeks, okay, so I'll click on the submit. So this is the total 5 weeks P&L report. So we made almost 1,15,000 rupees profit we made it. So out of 1,15,000 there is the 17,000 rupees are the charges. The details of the charges are mentioned here. Okay, and net realized P&L is almost 99,000. Okay, almost 99,000 we made the net realized P&L. So all these reports we have mentioned in the Excel sheet. We are maintaining Excel sheet. Yeah. So everyone knows that last week till till here we have recorded. So this week, that is 25th August to 29th August. This entry we made here. So that is the 20,455. So our entire profit is almost 99,000 rupees. Okay. So if you come here, the same thing. Okay. Whatever the 98,000, approximately 99,000, the same thing we have recorded here. Okay, so this is all about our 5 weeks P&L. So now let us generate the verified link for that. So why? Because people are asking me like trades and all. If I share the verified P&L, all 5 weeks, like whatever the trade I have taken, all the details will be available in this link. So let me share this verified P&L link. I'll go to the, I'll mask it. So futures and options. Okay. So here it is mentioned at 28th July to 29th August, total 5 weeks. So I'm generating the, okay, this is what generated. Okay, I'll copy here. We'll test it. Okay, I'll paste, enter. Yeah. So this is our verified P&L link. So if you see here, this is the realized P&L 1,15,000 and these are the charges, and net realized P&L is almost 99,000. Okay, the same thing it is available in the Excel sheet also. Okay, fine. So now I'll copy this particular link. I'll copy this particular link and I'll paste it here. Okay, so that I'll put this into the description so that you can access this particular verified PnL link. Okay, so this is all about my 5 weeks PnL report. So now let us go to the psychology concept. Okay, yeah. See, actually this week I supposed to explain about the call ratio spreads and put ratio spreads, but in the people are messaging me in WhatsApp and comment section. People are asking like, what is this psychometric test, and please explain in detail so that we will get an idea. So anyhow, by next week or next to next week, I'll come to the strategies. Okay, fine. So now let us understand what is the psychometric test. So before understanding the psychometric test, my statement is very simple. Trade with discipline or get out of the stock market. Only disciplined traders will get success in the stock market. Unnecessarily don't lose money in the stock market. Okay, my statement is very clear. From day one I am telling this statement. Okay, so when it comes to the psychometric test, each and every trader before starting the trading must take this particular psychometric test. Without taking psychometric test, people should not start the trading. That is the reason 95% of the people, 95% of the traders are losing money in the stock market without knowing this particular concept. Okay, fine. Now we'll see in detail about this particular psychometric test. Okay, so in the psychometric test, first we will ask you a question. Who are you? Who are you? Are you a student, or an employee, or a housewife, or you are a business person, or you are the retired person? Okay, so why we are taking this particular detail? Whatever the mindset is there for the student, it differs to the mindset of this particular retired person. Okay, whatever the maturity levels of this particular employee is differs with maturity levels of this particular businessman. Whatever the psychology control of this particular housewife, it varies with psychology control of this particular retired person. Okay, so that is the reason to build the strategy, to ask them to enter into the trading. First we should understand who are you. Without knowing that, blindly we cannot give the strategies to the people. Okay, so that is the reason in the psychometric test, the first thing we conduct as who are you. The next point, why are you trading? My question is, why are you trading? Okay, are you trading for packet money? Or you want to support to the family? Your wife or husband is doing job and you want to support them financially. To that you want to start earning some money to support your family. You are planning to do the trading, or you want to build the career in the trading itself, or to get more ROI than FDs. So generally these retired persons, after retirement they have some funds. So they'll be getting from the government or private organization, they might be getting some 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, the retired money savings are there. Usually the retired people, they'll put their money into the bank FDs. So generally bank FDs, 7%, 8%, they will give the returns per annum. So if they want without risk, if they want more returns, the people look into this particular trading. So that point also we will consider. So for extra income, so maybe you might be doing a job and earning 40,000, 50,000 rupees per month, and your expenses are more. In order to bear that particular expenses, you want an extra income. For that particular extra income, are you planning to come into the trading? Or to recover my previous losses? Already I am into trading, I lost the money. To recover those losses, now I am into trading. So this also we have to consider. So then current situation, why are you trading, we have to note that. Okay, so after that, how much capital do you have? Okay, so capital matters. Like 5 lakhs capital person using the strategy, the same strategy cannot use the person who have only 1 lakh capital. The same way, 5 lakh capital person using the strategy, the 20 lakh capital person cannot use the same strategy. No, it will vary from trader to trader. That is the reason before entering into the trader, we should understand how much capital do you have. Below 1 lakh you have the capital, or 1 to 3 lakhs you have the capital, 5 to 10 lakhs capital you have, or you above 10 lakhs you have the capital. So from this, we can make a basket. That basket concept I will explain later. Okay, fine. So how much capital do you have? We have to record it. Okay, so after that, now how capital is arranged? Whatever the capital you are saying, how you arranged that particular capital? Are you borrowed from friends or family members? Okay, are you taken the, you are an employee, you taken loan from the bank to trade? Okay, or you are taking a loan from your credit cards? Or some people have the savings, no, they have that savings for the future needs. Maybe after 2 years, 3 years, they need that funds. Anyhow, why to put these funds 2 3 years ideally? Let me put into the trading. The people will come like that to the trading. So whether that is the savings money, okay, or lifetime savings, as I said in the earlier, okay, so whether it is a retired person who is having a lifetime savings, okay, so that money, or people are selling no property, house, gold, okay, like that they sold that, and then they'll put that particular money, whatever the money is there, that they'll planning to put in the stock market. Okay, so we have to understand how that particular capital is arranged. The next thing, trading experience. Okay, so how much experience you have in the trading? Are you fresher, or you have 3 months to 1 year, or 1 to 3 years, or more than 3 years? Now why? Because the people who comes to the stock market freshly, they have a they attract to the fancy numbers, they attract to the glitters. Okay, so once as experience passes in the stock market, then the reality will come into the picture. Only after 1 to 3 years only you will come to the reality in the stock market. Till that, as soon as you enter, you attract to only fancy numbers. So if we say like psychology, emotions, they say no, we have to earn 10,000 capital, 3 lakhs we have to earn per month. Okay, generally people will come with that mindset to the stock market. After few months or few years, the stock market will tell, I am not like that. Okay, fine. So we need to record what is your current PnL status. Are you in profits, or are you in losses, or you are in a break even? Okay, so this particular we have to record it. Okay, so if your profits, it is good. If you are in losses, like we have to record that particular losses. And break even, are you in break even or not? Current PnL status we have to understand. Now why? Because based on this particular mindset only, we have designed the particular trading activities. Okay, so reason for those losses. Sorry, assume that if you are in losses, what is the reason for that losses? Some calls and tips or false promises. Okay, so generally calls and tips in the Telegram and WhatsApp groups, people will sell the calls 24,500, buy at 100 rupees, it will reach target 130 rupees, like that. People will give some calls tips into the YouTube or WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Okay, so are you attracted to the false promises? We can see n number of videos in YouTube saying that get 10,000 rupees and you can make 3 lakhs rupees per month. Okay, so that is the false promises. Majority of the people are getting attracted for these kind of videos. Okay, so I seen one person, he started his trading with 1 lakh, and now he earned almost 8 crores rupees. But no, the funny thing, always he is in YouTube only. I don't know how he earned 8 crores rupees. Okay, anyhow, I'm not commenting him actually. Okay, fine. So next one, strategy. Because of the strategy you are facing the problem. Okay, so whatever the strategy you are using may not be suitable to your psychology things. Okay, and not followed the rules. You know the rules, all the rules are noted down, you have understood that particular rules, but still when it comes to the live market, you are not able to follow that particular rules. Are you facing this problem? We need to record it. Okay, fine. So the next thing, fear factor. Okay, so to take an entry, you have a fear factor. Say for example, assume that as per your strategy, it is selling the 24,820 is your entry. You have to take the upside. Market is reached 24,820 and it is crossing. You know that this is the entry level, but still people are failing to take an entry because of the fear. And the market will be going like this. The person just looking into that but not taking an entry. So some people are facing this problem. That is what? To take an entry, there is a fear. Okay. So the other people are facing problem to hold the trade. Okay. So what is the to trade the whole? Say for example, 24,820 is the entry. Now these people, they'll take an entry, perfect entry, they'll take at 820. So here we will say that 24,900 is the target and 24,790 is the stop loss. Okay, so as soon as it reaches to 24,850, they'll come out. So maybe this profits may go down. So that is the reason people will come out. They cannot stay till 24,900. The same way in reverse, the market comes to 24,810. So they feels that from here market goes down and hit my stop loss. Why to take unnecessarily stop loss? The people will come out on 24,810. Which means that they cannot stay in the trading till target and till stop loss. Okay, so these kind of problems are you facing? Okay, so trailing stop loss, this is the biggest worst topic in the stock market. Okay, which I don't like this one. So this is only my personally. Okay, so maybe for some people it may be useful, but personally the trailing stop loss is the worst thing. Why? Because like say market will not go up directly like this and it will not come like this. You are seeing current markets are choppy, so always it hit the stop losses and go. So you keep trailing stop loss, it hit and go, hit and go. Okay, fine. So early entries. Some people are facing problem with early entries, which means that, say for example, as per our strategy, we are telling that 24,820 is our entry to take an upside. Now currently market is there at 24,780. So people feel that anyhow the market will go up from here only. So let me take in the discount price. The people will take an entry at 24,780 only. Who told? Our strategy is telling after crossing 24,820 is an our entry, but you are taking an early entry and taking the stop loss. These kind of problems are there. When it comes to this fear factor, this is a very big topic. We have so many forms to fill out this particular one. Okay, so in this 20 minutes time I cannot explain more than this. Okay, anyhow in future we will discuss about this particular one. Psychology factor. Okay, so are you following the risk management, money management, and the trade management is very important. No, this is vary from trader to trader, this is vary from strategy to strategy. Okay, and are you aware of it at least? So you know that this particular risk management, money management, trade management, you know the above things and still you are failing to implement it in the live market. This also a big topic. We have to record it from each trader. After record only we can say what to do that particular trader. Okay, fine. So the next thing, solution. What is the solution for this? Okay, so I always tell the solution is framework. Solution is framework. Okay, so this particular framework is a process. If we follow that process, then only we will become the disciplined trader. Only disciplined trader will get success in the stock market. So if it comes personally, I use my framework. Okay, so because of framework only I am getting success into this particular trading. Okay, see, no, in the comment section or like people are messaging me on my this WhatsApp. People are asking, so please tell me where you are taking an entry. Please show me like your entry prices, exit prices, and all. So I'm nothing wrong in asking like that. But what happens? No, that won't help you actually. Why? Because say for example, if you take 10 trades. If you take 10 trades, out of 10 trades, you may be 7 trades, it is positive to you, 3 trades, it is failure to you. Okay, but when it comes to me personally, if I take 10 trades, out of 10 trades, 6 trades is not my favor. Only 3 to 4 trades only will go my favor, which means that I am a poor trader than you. I am a very poor trader than you. You are only by looking into that price action you are able to tell perfectly. But like how I am making this particular thing, as I said, because of this framework only, because of my process only. My through this process only, I am making profits. I cannot say I am making profits. That is the wrong word. I am maintaining a consistency in my trading. I am maintaining the consistency. This is very, very, very important. This is not 1 day, 2 days thing, right? You are planning to build your career in the trading 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. What is the use? 1 week you are making profits, 1 week you are losing the entire thing, and the third week again starting freshly. What is the use of it? We need a consistency. Whether you earn 1 rupee, 2 rupee, the consistency is important. Whenever we maintain the consistency, then only we can go to the scalability. Right, scalability is important, right? Why? What is the scalability? Currently, if you are trading with 5 lots, the same 10 years will you trade with 5 lots? You have to increase the lots, right? 5 lots, 10 lots, 20 lots, 30 lots. You have to scale up your business. Without the process, how can you scale up the business? 2 weeks profit, third week all profits going. If that is the scenario, if there is no consistency, how the scalability will be possible? What is this trading career? Trading career is we have to make a consistent profits and we have to scale up our business. This is the solution. We have to follow it. That is the reason I am telling this framework is very, 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 very important. So my personal framework I have explained in the last week's video, like 4 weeks PnL report is there. So if anyone not seen that particular video, please do watch that video. Okay. So this is all about the solution. This is all about the psychometric test. I repeat again, every trader must take the psychometric test before starting the trading. Otherwise, we cannot maintain the discipline. Okay. So hope you enjoyed this particular video. So kindly subscribe to our channel. So please like to this particular video. Also, please share this particular videos to your friends and ask them to watch it. So thank you very much. We will meet in next week with the next week's PnL report. Until then, take care. Bye bye.